people. So today we are going to be making some pop sockets. And this is what it should look like. Let's get on to it. Okay, hi Tower people. So the ingredients are some glue sticks, some straws, some water, glitter. These are the straws. And then the scissors, just in case you want to shape yours, and a plate. Okay, so it's probably the size of step one. It's probably the size of a dime, but it's bigger. So it's like this. Now I'm gonna start. So do your circle.
You have to dip your finger in water first.
Yep. So that you don't burn yourself. Okay. You want to stick your fingers in water so that you don't burn yourself. Put water on the plate. Okay. Do the circle.
Okay, now get some on the inside.
Okay.
Perfect.
Ta-da. Okay, so like she said, a size of a dime, so I'm gonna dip my hands in the water. Okay. And so you'll need to cut your straw and cut it like cut it here, and then you just want to place it in the middle and let it dry. Okay, so yep, step 2. Put my hands back in the water. You want to grab it. I'm gonna use this, and you want to make it perfect size. So I'm gonna snip it right there, and I'm going to place it on just like that. Perfect. So while your bottom is drying, you just keep pushing in the middle like this. If you don't want to add glitter, then you don't have to. But I am adding glitter. You can add nail polish, you can add paint, or anything on your pop socket. And also color on it. So I'm going to add some pink glitter. Opening my glitter. Okay, let's add my glitter. And now you just want to add a layer on top so the glitter never falls out. to add another one. Let's add another glue stick to it. Shove that in. Shove it in. This, keep doing this. So step 3, you want to make your big circle about the size of a quarter. And to make a perfect circle, you want to just keep on pushing it in the middle. So you want to just keep on pushing and pushing. And now you don't have to, but I'm gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna add some pink. So just gonna sprinkle it in my hand. That I'm gonna wanna. Just wait. And while you wait, you can just dance.
Okay, I'm gonna help Kiki.
She's my nanny.
Get the base on. So first, we're gonna start with this. If you wanna come closer, come up here and look at this. So you're gonna start at the bottom, and then you're gonna work your way up to the top. So then, if you can see, the glue will run down and it'll create a perfect pop socket shape.
Okay, so next you want to take your little piece. You want to run around it till it gets to the top. keep it right there and wait. Okay, so if you want to shape yours, you can. You're gonna need a big scissors. So mine turned out like this.
And mine turned out like this. You can shape it into anything.
And if you don't want to shape it, that's cool. If you don't want to add glitter, it's okay. Yeah. And that's hers. And thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, hit that bell button for your notifications. Give a big thumbs up. Make a big one.
Make a big one.
And see you guys later. Bye.